Right now, I am in the car. We are getting ready to go and get some Chick-fil-A because my bae's hungry and he's working and he wants Chick-fil-A. I want Chick-fil-A every day, so any day that he says he wants it, I be hella juiced and I'm willing to go pick it up. So that's what we're gonna go do right now. I need to get some gas because we're running low, but we don't go nowhere. So like, should I get gas? Should I just save my money? I did tell y'all I was gonna vlog, or at least I asked you guys what you guys wanted, if you guys wanted a vlog or if you guys wanted a Q&A, and you guys seem to want a vlog. So, hold on, I'm trying to find Beyonce. Where Beyonce at? So I decided to do a vlog today. I'm not really doing anything, but I was like, okay, well, I guess I'll just vlog what I am doing. We're about to go to Chick-fil-A. Okay. Get that Beyonce going. Yes. I just want to show y'all before I get in the freaking line, look at where this line is starting from. Like, so this is the freeway exit over there, and this is the line, and Chick-fil-A is all the fucking way over there. We're about to be sitting in this line for dumb long, and I have 35 miles of gas. I'm wondering if I should just wait it out. Low key not. High key though, yeah, but like, I don't know. I've never been a good gas teller. Okay, I think that's straight. It could be a little crooked. If it's crooked, y'all, I'm sorry, but I am now waiting in this mother freaking Chick-fil-A line. This line is dumb long. Oh my god. I got here pretty fast, you know, I was jamming out to Beyonce. And right now it's a debate going on if Beyonce is better than Michael Jordan, and I'm gonna just tell y'all this. Beyonce is way better, like, but they are two different brackets, so it's kind of like you can't even compare the two, because Michael Jordan had like a whole effect on like a sport itself, whereas Beyonce has had influence obviously on the music industry, but I'm not saying that she had the same impact that Michael did. But oh, the gas light just came on. I really feel like I need to get out of the line. Maybe if I have the AC on, that takes up more gas, so I'm gonna turn the AC off. It is 77 degrees outside right now in Pleasanton. I bet my phone will say differently. Let's see what Siri says it is. I don't know. I don't care actually. So I'm about to go back to singing Beyonce. It's so hot. Oh my gosh, you guys, I gotta turn this AC back on. It's too hot. Like, I can't. Let's turn it to low though. Put on a lowest temperature. Maybe that will help my gas. I don't know. Got this mask, I have the mask on, but it's because I'm talking to people and shit. But I'm just so happy with how they've like changed their process and modified it during this COVID time. And I'm so grateful that Chick-fil-A is so open. And now we're about to get this food. I gotta get some gas, y'all. I really gotta get some gas because I'm not gonna make it home. I'm not even gonna try it. I'm not gonna risk it. Chick-fil-A sandwich with no pickles, add pepper jack cheese. You're welcome.
We're all in the house, we're all doing the same thing, not a damn thing. Trying to seem busy, but video will be coming soon. It's Business J right there. You guys, tell Jordan to let me cut his hair. I can hook him up. I can hook him up. We bought chess. Jordan is gonna teach me how to play chess during this quarantine time because he's tired of getting his ass beat in dominoes. So hey. Yeah, you have.
I haven't.
You have.
Good morning. It is Friday, so the vlog goes on to the next day, but I'm getting some Starbucks right now because I didn't re-up on the coffee when I went to the grocery store last week, and Jordan is out of coffee today. And he needs it to work. Like, he doesn't need it, but he prefers that over tea, so I'm gonna go ahead and get him some coffee, get myself a pastry. And I didn't cook dinner last night. Like, we just kind of went to sleep. So I woke up kind of hungry this morning, and I was like, if I woke up hungry, I know he woke up hungry, so I feel bad. So I was like, okay, I'll get up early and go to Starbucks. So he was still in the bed when I left, which is very rare because Jordan is always up before me, and hopefully he likes this little surprise for him. But today is just another day, another quarantine. I have no plans. I actually am going to film a video. I finally finished editing a video, so I'm gonna post a video today. I'm gonna film like 2 videos today, and then it's Jordan's grandma. Okay, so waiting for our coffee. So I put my mask on because, you know, we gotta talk to people and stuff. Some people are still not taking like the mask thing seriously. Like, if we all just wear masks, I think everything will be okay. But not everyone feels like they need to wear a mask. So I got mine on, so I don't play that. Come on, grab your coffee. Grab your coffee. This is Starbucks. This is not In-N-Out. Hurry the fuck up. Okay, so right now I am cleaning my makeup brushes, as you guys can see here. I have a little setup, my little soap bowl, my rinse bowl, and my little, oh my gosh, a little brush rubber. But right now I am just cleaning my brushes, watching some YouTube videos, and waiting for Jordan to finish up some important calls, and then we're gonna go outside. We're going outside today, guys. But I'm gonna continue my process. So Jordan had to go through the box because he had to get his stuff out. But I'm gonna show you guys all this stuff that I got in a video. What'd you get?
I got my regenerating cleanser. So I do 3 steps for my face wash. I don't even think my balm is here anymore. No, it's not.
We're out of it.
Yeah, I gotta get some more cleansing balm, but I use a few different products with some water. So I'll start off with and you can't look at my face. Like, I haven't done this in months, so I've been using fucking black ass Neutrogena, like the regular daily nigga.
You're a basic ass motherfucker.
So I use the Tata Harper Regenerating Cleanser. It's just real light exfoliation, daily treatment. It also does a great job cleaning out the pores. I'll use that daily, but I also use this Emma Hardy face cleansing balm that I don't have. Now this shit, I have real oily skin, so initially I was totally against an oil-based product for my face. Oh shit. But this shit, if you just apply it just a little bit, it goes a long way. And this shit fucking clears your skin, have you glowing like a motherfucking pregnant. I don't know, man, but you be looking.
You really do be glowing.
I be glowing when I use that shit. But this is really the ultra rare collectible. The key to all this shit is the greatest toner ever made. Lotion PF 50. This shit, like, honestly, I will put this toner on and I will be like, I don't need to do shit after that. This shit, like, not only does it exfoliate, but it tones your skin and it moisturizes that bitch all at the same time. That's the one?
That's the one?
That's the one. It's expensive as a mug. That's why I only rock with the little bottles. But yeah, that's really all you need. And doing this daily will leave your skin looking really clear. So you see what my shit is looking like. You can probably see into my pores right now. Check back in a week though.
In a week?
In a week. I'll let you go.
You're gonna show us your routine?
I don't have everything I need right now, so it's gonna be short.
Okay.
7 minutes more than enough. So first thing I'm gonna do is, so typically with my Emma Hardy face balm, they give me these really nice towels. So when you wash your face, first thing you want to do is open up your pores. So we're gonna rock with some hot water here, and then I'm just gonna put this on my face for a minute. Opened up my pores. Then what I do, I take just a little bit of water, kind of moisten my face just a little bit. And then we're gonna take our regenerating cleanser. Most people do 1 pump. Like, I use excess product all the time, so 2 pumps for me. So now come in here and just lightly work it. You don't have to like scrub the fuck out of your face. Like, that's what the exfoliants are for. So just come in here and lightly get in there. I make faces when I wash my face too. Because like in real life, you making bait hook, and so you gotta get into all the crevices by making bait hook. Get my water, my rag nice and warm. Not scalding water, I'm gonna burn your face with. And then just rub this shit off your face. And you can like literally see it picks up the fucking dirt off my face with this shit. It's crazy. Now I'm gonna come in here just like they do on TV. Real light.
Get the floor wet.
Yep.
Don't wipe it up.
And then you pat your face. You only get one face. Your skin is delicate. You gotta take care of it. Pat dry. That's when I'm gonna go to my lotion SPF toner. Very little.
Hot and rounds.
A little goes a long way. And this is not something you need to use every day. Every other day. And pat that shit. Pat that shit.
Pat that sheet in there.
But this, like the toner, you see instant effects, but also like the next day is when you see like, oh wow, my skin is so clear. And then, last thing you need here, and this shit actually makes your face tingle. It's weird. I like it. I literally just did a baby drop, and this is probably more than I need.
This stuff smells like some dentist shit or like some antiseptic type of stuff, you know?
This shit is fantastic.
It smells like witch hazel or something like that.
There's definitely some type of witch hazel in there, but it cleans out your pores, leaves the skin feel really nice and smooth. It gives you a nice little look. I came in here to do my hair, so my fucking fro would look stupid on this meeting, but it's not stupid.
Too late.
Put the pick in my...
Stupid fro. No, I'm just kidding. You gonna leave the pick in it?
Angry.
This is Jordan's home office right here.
No. I'm about to migrate to the couch though.
Don't do that. The taco truck, the best place in the motherfucking world. This is the best taco truck in Oakland. Facts, right?
You getting up?
No.
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, and my vlog has been going on since Thursday, I think. But right now, me and Jordan are getting ready to go to get some coffee, and we're going to Home Depot because we're going to be doing a project, DIY project, and I'll show you guys that when we get home. But I didn't vlog yesterday. Yesterday we actually had a little barbecue. I don't know why I didn't vlog, but I didn't vlog. Yesterday was like a normal day out of all these abnormal days that we've had, so I had to take advantage of that. So I didn't get to do what I was supposed to do, but we're gonna make it happen today. But right now, oh shit, what the fuck? Oh my gosh, this sucks. I'm coming. This is our Home Depot outfit. I need a new tripod so bad, like it won't even stay the right way. But let's go.
Lucky winner of the Amazon gift card is Betty Fucker. It's Randy. Thank you so much, Randy, for supporting my video. I really appreciate it. So I'm so glad that I could be giving you this $50 Amazon gift card.